An FTP client is an automation tool. A scheduler is likewise an automation tool. AutoFTP logically then works as both the FTP client and a scheduler in a single tool.
Institutions are dependent on computer systems, but sometimes computers fail and the current data becomes unreadable or inaccessible. Sometimes disaster, such as fire, strikes and everything is lost. The no-risk remedy to backing up critical files and databases is to schedule the shipment of those files and databases to a distant website, maybe in another state. Today, such is even required by such laws as Sarbanes-Oxley for financial institutions. In this way, if something happens to the local institution, or if a critical server fails beyond realistic repair, restarting the institution requires only replacing the hardware and copying down the last day's data from that distant website. AutoFTP is the perfect tool to accomplish this automation. Simply and quickly using AutoFTP. For webmasters, there is a need from time to time to refresh and republish websites. Maintaining websites is not a small matter. Fortunately, the entire site publishing can be accomplished simply and quickly using AutoFTP. Let's use AutoFTP to create a simple scheduled download. Going into the Site Manager, we select our connection. When the remote site comes up, we check a couple directories to be included in the scheduled download. But instead of clicking the download for an immediate transfer, we click the Scheduled Download button. The AutoFTP scheduler then appears. We name our scheduled download something meaningful to ourselves. We're going to enter a date and time for the scheduled download, but in this case it actually won't be used. So we select sometime on Christmas because another schedule will actually chain and run the scheduled download. If we choose, and this time we do, we will indicate within this schedule that once the scheduled download is accomplished to shut down the computer. Now we click the Save button, which actually creates the scheduled download. When saved, record of the scheduled download then displays within the Schedule of Files grid to the far right. Note, I've already created a zip directory for archive schedule with AutoZip, which we could chain to or from if desired. That's it. The scheduled download has been created. Now you exit AutoFTP Scheduled Download. Creating a scheduled upload in AutoFTP is almost identical to creating the scheduled download. Going into the Site Manager, we have selected our connection. The purpose of this second demo is to again demonstrate the ease of creating schedules, but more important, to show that schedules can run other schedules, that schedules can be chained together by a simple point and click. When the remote site comes up, we check a couple directories to be included in the scheduled upload. But instead of clicking the Upload button for an immediate transfer, we click Scheduled Upload button. The AutoFTP scheduler appears. We name our scheduled upload something meaningful to ourselves. Since this upload schedule is going to run the download schedule, this time we enter a real reoccurring date, like Wednesday, 5 p.m. This is important. To cause this upload schedule to chain to the download schedule, we simply select the scheduled download in the Next Process Download combo. When saved, record of the scheduled upload then displays within the Schedules of File grid to the far right. Finished again. We have now also created a schedule upload that will run every Wednesday at 5 p.m. And when done, then chain and perform the scheduled download. Now you can exit the AutoFTP scheduled download. However, a disabled AutoFTP schedule can still be chained to and thus run by another FTP schedule, as we did from the upload schedule we created. Here then is how you disable these two schedules. AutoFTP can be installed as a standalone utility or integrated within AutoShutdown Pro 2 or AutoShutdown Free. If you wish to run schedules, then you have to install both AutoShutdown Pro 2 and AutoFTP on your computer together, because AutoShutdown Pro has within it the servers that run your AutoFTP schedules. In our examples today, we created both an upload and download schedule. In AutoShutdown Pro, we see these two schedules plus the AutoZip schedule and an evening shutdown schedule. Recall that both the first download schedule and the AutoZip schedule were set to run on December 25th. Even if the computer is running on Christmas, you can disable these two schedules so AutoShutdown Pro will not run them at all. However, a disabled AutoFTP schedule can still be chained to and thus run by another FTP schedule, as we did from the upload schedule we created. Here then is how you disable these two schedules. Right-click the first schedule you wish to disable. When the dialog box asks you if you wish to disable the schedule, click the Yes button. Select an answer in the same way for the second schedule you wish to disable. Both schedules are now disabled. This completes our examination of AutoFTP scheduling and its integration to AutoShutdown Pro 2.
This is Pastor Bert for AutoFTP saying, until the next time, goodbye, friends.